안녕하세요, 웨리스 키친 친구분들. Today we're making a delicious tuna kimchi stew called Chamchi Kimchi Jjigae in Korean. I've already cut up my well-fermented kimchi into bite-sized pieces, so now go ahead and cut all the vegetables like this. If the peppers are too spicy for you, you can skip them. We also need some tuna from a can, and I like to use the kind packed in oil for extra flavor like this one. This is a traditional Korean clay pot, Ttukbaegi, and it keeps the stew hot and bubbling right through to serving. In your pot, add the kimchi and the water and bring it up to a good boil. Once it's boiling, add the tuna and onion. Give it a gentle stir so the tuna breaks up nicely in the broth. Next, it's time to add the seasoning ingredients to the soup. Then I thought I hit the record button for my camera, but it didn't actually record. Oh no, sorry about that. So here are the seasoning ingredients in the soup I still want to show you. Here we have a fish sauce and sample Yondu that we used in the recipe, and if you have both, mix a little of each for extra savory flavor. Give everything a stir, cover the pot, and let it cook for about 15 minutes so the flavors really come together. Add the tofu, green onions, and the hot peppers. Let everything simmer for about another 5 minutes, and then it is done. At our Korean Essence Etsy shop, we are selling 28 different kinds of Korean vegetable seed, Korean traditional whole, Korean world flashcards, and herbal tinctures. If you are interested, please stop by Korean Essence our Etsy shop and take a look. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye.